Here's Catzy app self-care journey, mental health and habit tracker, your best companion for self-care. Record your mood, it always cares about you. Take good care of your pet and interact every day. Dress it up with cute outfits and cozy homes. Create shared memories together. Hide self-care in your everyday moments. Self-care travel. So yeah, this is the app. You can just try it out with widgets. Quite popular. And great app for mental well-being. So you can see here the details. So and then you can just open it up. You can allow it to track and just go next. And then this is so for example, you can just name it. And then so for example, this is how the onboarding looks like in here. And then this is there is a limited time new user deal, which you can get yearly $80. Then there is weekly. And then how did you hear about? That's that. Then you can just see you need to complete goals. Take a sip of water. Stand for a while. Do stretching. Take 3 deep breaths. Write down one thing you are grateful for. Take a shower. And then you just how you interact. That's kind of very gamified self-care app which you can just try. Then you can see your profile. You can add widget, journey, goals, home screen widgets, and that's the app. Then you can just continue with Apple. So let's just try it out. Now you have your account, as you can see, super easily. A lot of buttons. You can add friends by sharing the ID, and then again self-reflections, cards, premiums, interactions, widgets, additional things. Catzy Premium, sound effects, app log, tips. Catzy Premium, as you can see, yearly $35, so weekly $5. Quite a good price, actually. And then you can see your data. They don't have any promo codes or referral codes, but yeah, this is what you can see. There is a map. There is there are some coins. And then you can just buy all the additional stuff for coins. Something like that. That's just what. Then you have journeys, affirmations, calm channel, all kinds of mini apps you have in this big app. So quite cool, highly recommended if you're looking for kind of self-calming app. This is the quite a great app. It's not yet in top charts. I don't know why in US, but in many countries it's kind of climbing the top charts. So it's quite cheap compared to other apps in this category. So take a look at it.